Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On right side, you just need to right click on the IsShortcut and select delete it. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy the text and right click on here and select new and select a string value. And now paste the text we copied. Now press enter. And just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.